This week's video, we will be showing the process of removing the inner taillights on a Model 3 with a powered trunk. If you're interested in watching more Tesla videos, including the collision repair process, make sure to hit that subscribe button in the upper right hand corner. The first step is using a plastic stick to release the trunk trim panel. Once one clip is released, you can use your hands and work around the trim panel, carefully applying pressure to release all 11 clips. With the trim panel removed, you can see all the clips in one wiring connector. The wiring connector is now released from the trim panel for a better visual while filming. A flat blade screwdriver is then slid between both ends and the plugs are pulled apart. With the trim panel off, we can now see the one wiring connector on both taillights, as well as one 8mm nut attaching both taillights to the trunk. We released both the wiring connectors by sliding a flat blade screwdriver into the groove on the red locking tab. We then apply pressure away from the taillights to release the plugs. Afterwards, a deep 8mm socket and ratchet are used to remove the 8mm nuts. A clip tool is now used to release the two locking pins on the outside of the taillights. Slide the clip tool between the light and the trunk at the locking pin locations and apply pressure outward. After removing the taillights, make sure the gasket for the taillight is still located on the taillight. Without the gasket, a water leak will occur. Subscribe and stay tuned for new Tesla content every week.